The Larson Electronics solar-powered explosion-proof LED indicator light is a reliable lighting solution for remote areas and standalone applications where connection to external power is either impractical or unavailable. This light is outfitted with an explosion-proof inline switch. Charged by a Class 1 Division II solar panel, 4 12-volt AC 18Ah sealed lead acid batteries provide constant, reliable power to the LED light. This 7-watt lamp offers 360 degrees of illumination and is protected by a cage guard. This solar-powered LED light is constructed of cast aluminum with a polyester powder-coated finish. The light features an inverted pendant mount for compatible surfaces, walls, or ceilings. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.